tim koji smo vodili u prethodne 3 godine, a saznaćete i kako su ga prozvali Meksikanac ili Mexicano, koliko je voleo svoj, da kažemo, posao i još mnogo toga.
Workshop they have, and that's why with 2.5 years I take my first bike, and after that I don't stop. In the end, I'm one rider. I work for many years here. I try to be faster every years and try to have one seat here, and now I get this opportunity, and for sure I will use it with him. And Aki for me is really important, but they teach me many things really important on this world.
We are work here. It's not a party. It's not.
Do you guys enjoy, do you have fun still, I mean, doing this?
Oh yeah, of course. Was still, if you don't enjoy, you cannot go fast. You cannot do this job. You must enjoy. For sure, sometimes it's hard. For the crashes, you have pain, injuries, but it's okay. For me, it's okay. Most of the time, is always enjoy. For sure, it's not easy. You must have also talent. It's too many things must be together, but. For us is together, and we are here on this World Championship, and you know Moto2 is extreme hard class. It's not easy. Everyone have the same engine, and for sure we must enjoy more. We must to be more relaxed and try to make everything together. But if not, if you start to fight with the bike or this, you lose too many positions.
What would you ask yourself? It's a trick question, basically.
Yeah, but it's different. I don't like really the questions. I don't like to speak about my personal life, but we can ask why I am in the World Championship and not on the Championship Spanish, or why I arrive here. Why? Sometimes we have also the point of the lag to arrive here. You know, it's not like okay, you pay, you ride, and you go. No, it's really why. Sometimes I look what I do on my career, and I look behind. I say why, wow, why I am here in this moment. You know how I arrive from this point. You know, for sure my family support me, but if on that race on the Championship Spanish I crash and I break my foot and I cannot arrive here, you know, it's like for me it's a nice question. Also the lag we must be with us.
Guys, do you play video games or something like that? Let's ask some different questions.
Play? No, still not, but one day we will play, but with girls.
Well, I see. Okay. You were fighting for the championship like 2 years ago,
Yeah.
and now you're in the same team.